Today, I am reviewing Acer Aspire Premium Slim Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Acer Aspire Premium Slim Laptop is a sleek, versatile, and high-performance device that is designed for both productivity and entertainment. With a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, this laptop delivers crisp, vibrant visuals with sharp details, making every image, video, and document look stunning. The narrow bezels enhance the immersive experience, while the 16:9 aspect ratio provides an expansive view, ideal for multitasking or streaming your favorite content. Whether you are watching movies, editing photos, or working on spreadsheets, the display ensures clarity and color accuracy from almost any angle, thanks to its IPS technology. Powering this device is the AMD Ryzen 370-330U quad-core processor, paired with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 256GB NVMe SSD. This combination provides impressive performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and light creative work. Applications launch quickly, and switching between multiple windows is smooth and responsive, making it ideal for students, professionals, and casual users alike. The integrated Radeon graphics further enhances visual performance, allowing you to enjoy light gaming, streaming, and content creation without lag. Additionally, the laptop can be expanded up to 64GB of memory and 2TB of storage, giving you room to grow as your workload increases. The Acer Aspire isn't just about performance, it's also built for convenience and mobility. Its thin, lightweight design makes it easy to carry from home to office, classroom, or coffee shop. The laptop also features a high-definition webcam with Acer's temporal noise reduction technology, which delivers clear images even in low-light conditions. Coupled with Acer purified voice technology and AI noise reduction, online meetings, video calls, and virtual classes become clear and professional. You can communicate confidently without worrying about background noise or visual quality, which is essential for remote work and hybrid learning environments. Connectivity is another strength of this laptop. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and 2x2 MU-MIMO technology, the Aspire ensures faster and more reliable wireless internet speeds, even in crowded networks. Multiple USB ports, HDMI output, and Bluetooth connectivity allow you to connect all your essential devices, from external monitors to keyboards, mice, and storage solutions. This makes it a true all-in-one solution for home, office, and educational use. Additionally, the improved thermal system with a 78% larger fan surface and 17% higher thermal capacity keeps the laptop cool during extended use, ensuring consistent performance without overheating. The Acer Aspire Premium Slim Laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro, offering a familiar, user-friendly interface with enhanced security and productivity features. With automatic updates enabled, your laptop stays up to date with the latest tools and security improvements, so you can focus on your work or play without interruptions. The combination of powerful hardware, sleek design, and modern software makes the Acer Aspire a perfect choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance laptop that can handle a variety of tasks effortlessly. Overall, the Acer Aspire Premium Slim Laptop is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a blend of performance, portability, and style. Its vivid Full HD display, Ryzen 3 processor, 16GB RAM, and NVMe SSD provide the speed and responsiveness needed for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this laptop offers everything you need to stay productive, creative, and connected on the go. With its sleek design, advanced features, and robust performance, the Acer Aspire truly stands out as a premium, all-around laptop that delivers value, reliability, and efficiency in one compact package.